Today I will be trying to make slime blindfolded. So this is what you're going to need. Soap and flour. I will pause the video. And you will need flour and something to mix with. Definitely something to mix with. Because how will you be able to mix it? I'm not mixing it with my hands. So it's just going to be messy. So I'm using a fork. I'm going to be using a fork. So I'm going to get everything and take it to the bathroom so I can do it. Sometimes also, after this video, I'm going to do another video. Okay, guys? Here's a joke. Right there. So, first, what you're going to do, underneath what I'm using. So, I'm going to use these. Take something. What you're going to do, you're going to go with the donut soap first. And just that's very sticky. And what you're going to do, it's going to start forming, so it's going to form into the slime. I don't know what it's going to form into the slime. So I'm just going to get into the flour. Flour in there, so I put start kneading my hands and then put flour on my hands. Just roll my hands and put flour. I'm going to use shampoo and conditioner. Stupid, guys. So guys, this is the shampoo I'm going to be using. Strawberry shampoo. It is my shampoo. And hopefully this one works. I think it worked for my friend with flour and shampoo. Oh, what am I going to use? We're using this giant container. So let's put some shampoo. 17. So let's really add some. Satisfying slime. feel like I'm continuing. This one might already start better. What's going on here? We're gonna try to add this. Suppose that didn't work. I'm just gonna What's that? Did not work out. That didn't turn like that. Guys, also in my next video I'm fixing to do after this video, it will be so satisfying. You will definitely want to watch it. So guys, that was a fail. So let's see how my prank worked out. The prank slime thing worked out. Oh my god. So, with my mom's, so the soap like melted. So that was a fail. I guess I'm just gonna add this glue and stuff. This games. Because that's disgusting. Thanks for watching, guys. This video was a fail, so I hope y'all liked it. Like and subscribe.